Welcome to our video on post-labor economics and the impact of AI and automation on the economy. Before moving further, let me tell you why this video is important for you to watch till the end. Understanding the impact of AI and automation on the economy is crucial for individuals, businesses, and policymakers. As AI capabilities continue to advance, it is important to assess the survival of industries, job creation, and the overall functioning of the economy. By examining these impacts, we can better prepare for the future and adapt to the changing technological landscape. Unlike the third industrial revolution, which primarily automated manufacturing processes, the rise of AI enables the automation of knowledge-based jobs. This disruption in the employment landscape necessitates a deeper understanding of the changes in the economy. Benefits of AI and automation. AI and automation offer numerous benefits that can revolutionize various industries and enhance productivity. Here are some key advantages. Productivity surge with better machines and AI. Using AI-powered tools like co-pilots has been shown to increase developer productivity by up to 55%. This surge in productivity allows businesses to accomplish more in less time, leading to overall economic growth. Scientific acceleration and advancements in research. Researchers are utilizing AI-based tools to analyze vast amounts of data, conduct literature reviews, and even make predictions. For instance, tools like AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, accurately predict how proteins fold, revolutionizing drug discovery and other biomedical research. Scalability of problem solving with AI. One of the significant advantages of AI is its scalability in problem solving. Once an effective AI model is developed, it can be replicated and deployed on a massive scale. This scalability allows for efficient problem solving in various domains, such as customer service, data analysis, and decision making. Instead of relying solely on human labor, AI enables businesses to tackle complex problems at a much larger scale, leading to improved efficiency and outcomes. Price collapse and cost reduction in various industries. AI and automation have the potential to collapse prices and reduce costs in various industries. By automating tasks and processes, businesses can significantly lower their operational expenses. For example, AI-powered graphics generation tools can create visuals in seconds, eliminating the need for expensive graphic designers. This cost reduction can translate into more affordable goods and services for consumers, making them more accessible to a wider population. Now let's talk about the change in the economy due to AI. Economic paradigm shift. The future of the economy is undergoing a paradigm shift, driven by advancements in AI and automation. This shift brings about significant changes in various aspects of the economy, and it is important to understand and navigate these changes. Here are some key talking points. Industry narrowing and the obsolescence of certain sectors. As AI and automation become more prevalent, certain industries may become obsolete or significantly narrowed. Jobs that can be easily automated, such as manufacturing and repetitive tasks, may see a decline. It is essential for individuals and businesses to adapt and transition to new industries and job roles to remain relevant in the changing economy. Industries that are likely to survive the automation wave. While some industries may face challenges with automation, there are sectors that are likely to persist. These include raw materials and energy, semiconductor production, robotics and automation, sustainable tech, and experience industries such as travel, entertainment, and cultural experiences. Investing in these industries may provide long-term stability and growth. However, it is essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Potential disruptions in healthcare, education, and finance. The rise of AI and automation has the potential to disrupt industries such as healthcare, education, and finance. AI-powered tools can revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostic accuracy and speeding up drug discovery. In education, AI can enhance personalized learning experiences and provide tailored support to students. Furthermore, automation can streamline financial services and reduce costs, potentially reshaping the finance industry. Primary and secondary needs. When considering the impact of AI and automation on the economy, it is important to understand both primary and secondary needs. Primary needs encompass the fundamental necessities of life, including food, shelter, and clothing. These needs are essential for human survival and form the basis of our daily existence. Industries related to primary needs, such as agriculture, construction, and manufacturing, are expected to remain durable. Despite advancements in technology, the demand for primary goods and services will always exist. The need for food, for example, will never diminish, ensuring the sustainability of agricultural practices and related industries. There is no problem without any solution, so let's talk about the challenges and solutions. Reduced aggregate demand and its implications. One of the major challenges in the post-labor economy is the potential for reduced aggregate demand. As AI and automation replace human labor, individuals may experience job loss and reduced income. This can lead to decreased consumer spending and a decline in overall demand for goods and services. To address this challenge, it will be essential to implement measures that ensure individuals have sufficient purchasing power. This could include policies such as universal basic income, negative income tax, or universal basic services. By providing individuals with a guaranteed income or access to essential services, we can help maintain consumer demand and support the economy. The need for a new social contract in the post-labor economy. The shift towards a post-labor economy necessitates the development of a new social contract. The current social contract, which revolves around the relationship between government, businesses, and individuals, may no longer be applicable in a world where human labor is no longer a primary driver of economic growth. A new social contract should prioritize the well-being and empowerment of individuals, as well as address issues of income inequality and wealth redistribution. This may involve redefining the role of government, promoting worker rights and protections, and ensuring access to essential services and resources for all individuals.